welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's 8:30 a.m. I've barely woken up. I feel I'll just get freshen up and come back talk to you. Till you guys also go and freshen up. और फिर हम लोग मिलेंगे फिर से. Okay. So hey guys, I've freshened up and now it's time for some morning drink. Yeah. So my mom has ordered this Kapiva ka wild amla juice for hair health. Obviously for overall, but hair health is important because I was gayab for a long time from making videos, and in that time a lot of things have happened in life. I've done some chemical treatment on my hair which has led to hair fall. So my mom thought कि इस लड़की को अब आंवला जूस पीना चाहिए. Also it's really good for winter, you guys. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ मुझे, आपको भी पीना चाहिए क्योंकि खुल नहीं रहा है मेरे से बीच. I'll just open it, put it in a glass. So I'll also tell you how it works. They have told us to shake the bottle first. My bad. So okay. Now they have asked us to measure 20-30 ml of wild amla juice. Dilute it in a glass of water. Add honey, salt, sugar as per your taste and consume 1 to 2 times a day. अब दूसरी बार तो होगा कि नहीं होगा, पर अभी ये पहली बार ही पी के देखते हैं कैसा लग रहा है. तो रुक जाइए, हम ले लेते हैं पहले ग्लास. So guys, I tasted it a bit और it is a lot more sour, so I added some honey. First of all I thought कि मैं ऐसे ही गटक जाऊंगी, but then I thought no. So cheers. There you go. हनी ऐड करने के बाद भी कुछ ज़्यादा डिफरेंस आया नहीं था, बट नेवर माइंड. आई डू वांट टू हैव अ ग्लास ऑफ lukewarm water which I usually do in the morning, but now that I had this I feel like I should take a 15 to 20 minutes break before having anything now. So I'll just go inside. Also it has been many days. I feel कि I've not shown you my little garden because this time the rainy season was raining, like you know what I mean to say. So most of the plants didn't survive, but I did try to keep as much alive as I can. Now we'll move on to going to the home. Mom, I'll meet you after a while now. Wait. Guys, I freshened up, drank my morning drink. Now it's time for majdoori. Yes. Your girl is a majdoor now. I'll have my breakfast past the first break that we'll have. Currently I'm in my training phase of majdoori. They're training us for being a good majdoor. So yeah, I'll meet you when I'll have my breakfast now. Bye bye. It's time for paid puja of morning paid puja. So guys, I have leftovers from yesterday night, which we are going to reheat and eat. Rhyming words. Okay. That was quite interesting. And then I have my chai over here. Yes, this is today's breakfast. I haven't decided yet for lunch, but let's see. We'll decide something for lunch too. Today's vlog is a little slow, I know, because after a lot of time I have took the camera in hand and I've started filming again. There has been a lot of changes in my life that has happened. I'm employed now. I'm so grateful and happy for that. So yeah, I'll tell you the details slowly, eventually. I'm trying to be more consistent first and then, unfold things. But yeah, let's see how things go. I'll have my breakfast, I'll get back to my work, and then I'll talk to you guys in between. Guys, I forgot to show you my cute little office space that we have created in the house. I'll let you see it now, and then I'll seriously get back to work now. बहुत हो रहा है अभी. So guys, it's our coffee break. सारी बैटरी उतर चुकी है. इससे फीबी वापस नहीं आने वाली, पर अब और मजदूरी का टाइम बाकी है तो फिर करना पड़ेगा. पर अब सब एनर्जी उतर चुकी है. I was not awake for whole night, but my dark circles say that. Well, I'll show you what real joy is. Wait, I will show you. Wait. The working hours are finally over. I can go and take a shower, I can get fresh, come back, talk to you guys about I don't know what, but तभी का तभी obviously देखा जाएगा. Today I have at least tried to vlog after a very long time. I was actually missing this feeling of vlogging, but I passed out of college, got the job, so many things happened in between. Well, I'm grateful for each and everything that happened, but yeah, that was the time in life. I will tell you, I do wanted to do something, plus I don't wanted to do anything, but yeah, let's see. I'll shower and come. Guys, I just wanted to show you how beautiful the moon is looking at this point of time. Say hi to... Okay, where did he disappear? Oh yes, say hi to him.
Yeah. And say hi to Chota. Hi, Chotu. Huh. And say hi to that. Yep. Guys, it's currently around 9, and before Big Boss starts, I want to get Leo's walk done. I'm sorry, but he's like, yeah, just close the gate. Let's go for walk, guys. Let's go for the walk.
खत्म। बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया।